I can feel the presence of a sorcerer. The gods have brought her back. It is your destiny. You cannot run away from it.
I'm tired. I am so tired. Let the gods do with me whatever they desire. A god is meant to protect, love and guide the desires of his people. A god is not meant to take away the joy of his own people. Why do the gods want to take the only joy I have left? Let me ask this. If the gods wanted Obiamaka, why did they take away my only son? Even they know I will not survive this, they should take me instead and leave my only daughter for me.
Leave, woman. The gods know how to put smiles on the face of their people.
I will only live here on one condition. That I go with my daughter, Obiamaka. Obiamaka, let's go home. What are you doing? Mother, what are you doing? You know I love you, right? You know that, and I love you too. Please go. Don't leave me. I have made up my mind to do this. Obiamaka, you're leaving me. Mother, please, go. Obiamaka, you're leaving me. Please, go. Let's go home. Go. Go. Rebecca just left me. So I am now childless. So I don't have a child anymore. The only one that separated me from barrenness has just been taken away from me. Who will bear me grandchildren? Who will take care of me when I am old?
My wife, only the gods have answer to that question. I feel bad as well, believe me. But who am I to question the decision of the gods? But I strongly believe that they will replace everything they took away from us.
Oh, but how? I ask you, how? Has it not occurred to you that I have passed childbearing age? How can they replace her? Will they throw her from the heavens? Can they replace Ezebula as well? Don't be a boy, don't be a boy. Obiamaka rejected me. Obiamaka asked me to leave her.
It's okay now.
I was holding Obiamaka by the hand. She removed my hand.
You make me cry too.
I lost.
She couldn't bear the loss of her brother. That was why she came back.
And that's child. So this is how this girl ended up.
All her dreams shattered. Tradition cash should not locate me. Obiamaka.
Sister? Sister?
What is it?
Ah! The food is ready.
I don't want to eat.
You don't want to eat? Like you don't want to eat this food?
I don't want to eat.
I'm not so worried. I'm not mad at you.
Logo mumul shemu lemu gamaga. Today, you will be initiated. And the initiation is done by blood. Look, come on, Jay. Come on, Mom. Dig him more. Sorceress of Umwagu Kingdom. You have been chosen by the gods. Tomorrow we will present you to the people. Here is your staff of office.
I am delighted, a very happy king indeed. Because today is a great day in Umwagu Kingdom. A day that the gods have chosen to wipe away our tears and restore our lost glory. A day that will remain forever in our hearts. A day that the gods of our ancestors have chosen to bless us with their mouthpiece. The one that will interpret the minds of the gods to us. And she is here. From today onwards, she shall no longer be called Ubiamaka. She shall be called the sorceress. My people, it is time for us to thank the gods through our sorceress. For it is obvious that we feed up the fat of the land that the gods have blessed for us.
People of Amavu, I greet you.
May the gods be praised.
Igwe. I have been chosen by the gods to stand between you and them. They have promised that as long as you remain faithful to them, you shall continue to eat the fat of this land. They also bring warning to you, warning of impending doom, should you fail to carry out all their wishes. This is the message from the gods.
The absence of a sorceress made it impossible for you to know the mind of the gods concerning you and your family. And for the young ones, it was difficult for you to know the mind of the gods concerning who to marry, for that is over now. From tomorrow onwards, she shall be available to reveal the mind of the gods to you all. So now, let us proceed to the village square. People are waiting for us there.
A man shall come for your hand in marriage. Do not ever get married to him. If you do, then you will suffer for the rest of your life. Go.
Greetings, great priestess.
Shiguku werumunemo, shiguku werumunamo, mageku nadanilo nilo, warumutie noko, shururi emenya o, shiazuta moko, botonku bonkirigbo, warumutie noko, shururi emenya o, shiazuta moko. Botonku bonkirigbo. I know why you are here. You have been with him for a very long time.
Yes, great priestess.
And he has told you how much he loves you and how he wants to spend the rest of his life in your care. And you have come to know what the gods have in store for your marriage with Ikemba.
Yes, great priestess. I love him as much as he loves me.
The gods reject him. He will cost you nothing but misery. Yes, he shall make you a widow at a very young age when you should be enjoying your marriage. If you accept him, this is what your future will be.
Please, great priestess of our time, I beg you. I have been waiting for a man that will love me and treat me the way I deserve to be treated for years. Please, is there nothing you can do to uplift this misfortune?
Nothing can be done. And if you insist and go ahead with this marriage, then you shall suffer.
Please help me.
The gods have spoken. Go! Go! Ano nene bune bokbo, shiguku werumunemo, mageku nadanilo nilo, warumutie noko, shururi emenya o, shiazuta moko, botonku bonkirigbo.
Do you know that I saw women the other day?
Just like your mommy water.
These girls are beautiful as a goddess. Epitome of beauty.
100%.
My brother.
Ogonna, see, stop crying. Stop crying.
Please.
Ogonna, wait.
You don't know how it feels. You don't know.
I know. See, let me tell you one thing. See, once this road closes, another one's open.
I don't want another one. It's this one that I want.
I am begging you. I
No.
understand.
Is it Kemba that I want? I don't want anybody else.
See,
Do you know the relationship that it took me years to build? Where will I see another good man like him? Where will I see another man who will care for me, pamper me the way I deserve to be treated? Calm down, please. The gods we serve must surely bring another person for you.
I don't want.
I don't want. Stop crying, it's okay.
The gods of our land, why? Why must it be me? What did I do wrong? What did I do to deserve this? Why? It's him that I want. I don't want nobody else. I don't want any other man. Why must it be me? Why?
See, Ogonna, stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay.
It's not fair. 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 It's not fair.
Just look at me. I'm here for you. It's okay. Stop crying. God will not disappoint us. Please.
Oko, this is unacceptable. I cannot accept this.
Obi, the gods have spoken, and there is nothing we can do about it.
The girls have feelings. They know what it means to be in love. How can they wake up one morning and say that we should end this relationship? I cannot accept this. I can never.
Keeper, I love you. You know I love you.
I love you too.
But we can't do this. We can't continue like this. The gods has the future, and they have given me mine. I don't want to end up a young widow. If I end up marrying you, you might die.
I will not die. I will not die. Please stop saying this.
Stop making this harder than it is. Just stop it. We need to end this now, please.
What? Oh!
Long live the sorceress of this community.
Are you alright?
Yes, I am fine.
Why are you bowing before me? You are my friend. There is no need for that.
May the gods forbid that I regard you as equal.
You are not regarding me as equal. You're embarrassing me with this. Stop it already.
I am sorry, but I don't want to incur the wrath of the gods upon myself.
You're not doing that. Enough already. How are you?
I am fine.
Come with me.
Okay.
Can't wait for us to get married, my love.
Finally, you'll soon be a man.
I will soon be a man?
Yes.
So you mean I've not been a man all these years?
Being a man in marriage is different from being a single man. Hope you know that.
Okay, my love, what is the difference?
You soon find out.
Okay, if you say so. So where is my beautiful princess taking me to? Because I've been driving since...
You won't feel comfortable till you have seen where I'm taking you to.
Why the strange feelings? Why am I feeling this way? Why am I feeling this way?
Greetings, maidens of Amagu. I'm here to see the sorceress.
She will be here shortly.
Long live sorceress of Amagu. The king asked me to come and inform you about his daughter's marriage, and you are invited.
Tell the king that his message has been received, and I shall grace the occasion.
Long live sorceress of Amagu Kingdom.
I want to try to check down and go and walk down. I want to try to check down and go and walk down. Your Highness, I got your message through your guard concerning the princess's marriage to Prince Agaba.
Exactly. Sorceress. But why are you here? Is there any problem? Or do we have a message from the gods?
Yes, Your Highness. There is a message from the gods.
What is the message?
They frown at you, Your Highness.
Why? What wrong have I done?
Because they do not approve of this union between the prince and the princess.
Why? We took them when they were very young to the gods. And we got their consent. Why are they changing their minds now?
The gods opened my eyes to the future, Your Highness. And I saw the inhabitants of Amagu Kingdom being wiped away because of all this.
How?
Very soon, Prince Agaba will take over from his father. And he will lead this onslaught against the people of Amagu. An onslaught that has never been seen, Your Highness. Your Highness, I see horror. I see cries. Our men killed. Our children and wives held captive. Our lands taken away from us.
How do I avert this treachery?
Very simple, Your Highness. This marriage will never hold.
My love, please, can you just stop crying and listen to me? Stop crying. Both of us know that the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. So please, calm down. Huh?
So, are you trying to say you won't get married to me?
Never.
Are you saying we're not getting married?
I never said that, my love. I never said that. Okay, can you just stop crying and listen to me? Huh? Stop crying. Let's just hope and wait that the gods change their mind towards us. As for me, I love you so much and I want to marry you.
When?
Okay, sorry. It's okay, stop crying. I love you, okay? Alright? Let's just wait. The gods will change their mind towards us and will become husband and wife. Alright?
The gods that I have known for years cannot undo what they have done.
The gods cannot make mistakes. Not now, not forever.
And something tells me that Obiamaka is going against the wish of the gods.
And we have to do something before it is too late.
The gods are wise. They will fix this in their own time. Let's wait upon the gods.
So shall it be. So it shall be. So shall it be. Okay. Greetings, sorceress of Amago Kingdom. I am greatly disturbed by the divination you gave upon the princess.
Why should you be?
Their union was approved many years ago by the gods. Why would they suddenly change their mind? Are the gods getting confused?
Do not insult the gods, Oshirikmesh, or you will pay with your life. The gods have every right to change anything they have chosen to change without your approval.
Tread with caution, sorceress.
Leave my presence at once!
Tread with caution.
Out!
Tread with caution. Tread with caution. Tread!
Chadim, gods are so grateful. They will not stop amazing us. Do you know, my cross and my livestock has doing well this season.
They have indeed favored the people of this land.
Of course.
We have no cause to cry because we have done what they ask us to do. We now have a sorceress that communes with the gods day and night on our behalf.
Then you have no cause not to rejoice and celebrate.
I think, of course.
Very good,
Good evening, my fathers.
Hello.
How are you?
Mirima, how are you?
I'm fine, Papa. How is Mama?
Oh, she's fine. She sent her regards.
My regards to her too.
I will.
Papa, I'll be inside.
She has grown, just like we predicted.
Of course.
So beautiful.
Not only beautiful, she only ripe enough too.
You know, we have talked about celebration. I think it is time for us to honor our agreement.
Yes. I thought that this day will never come. I saw son Azubike.
Oh, he will soon be back. He will soon come back to our market.
That's much. Take your drink.
Hey!
You are welcome.
Thank you, Papa. I know you did. Yeah. Very, very well.
There's no cause of alarm.
Of course, no cause for alarm. No cause for alarm. Everything went well with the family. She's happy.
See why we wanted you to be there.
Papa, I know. I'm only saying.
So how did it go?
Very well, Mama. She's very happy. Very, very happy. She even asked me to stay back.
Yeah.
Oh, you see why we ask you to go? Eh? I know your grandmother will be happy to see you, helping her.
Yes.
She's very happy. She extends her greetings anyway.
Azubike, I prepared your favorite meal, Ofako. Hey! Let me can do it, eh? So that you can eat, oh?
With a lot of dish. Mama, because it's so... I missed her food. So, Papa, how are you?
Oh, I praise our gods for preserving us.
Exactly. For long life and prosperity.
Yes. You are welcome.
I missed you, Papa. Have you seen... Okay, don't worry. My brother, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. You know, staying for that long without the woman I love, it's like, all this while I was just thinking about her, thinking of the love we shared, and you know everything now. You know that feeling. Yes, but I thank God I'm back.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Maybe you're talking about your parents, alright?
No, not just my parents and my love, of course.
Wow.
Yes. You see, now that I'm back, I will love you to accompany me to go see her people.
Congratulations. But who is she?
Who is she?
I don't know her.
Now one name was a Mugu. Which one is who is she? You don't know who I'm talking about?
I don't know her. I mean it.
Hey, Mama.
I don't know her.
Which one is you don't know her? You don't know Obiamaka. Who else if not Obiamaka?
May the gods forbid. Gods of our ancestors, forgive me for I did not hear this abomination. Huh? I'm well.
Let's know how we'll help you.
Which
one is gods of our ancestors? Are you normal?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm sure that you're okay, if you ask me.
You cannot marry her now. She is now the sorceress.
You said?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
You have to understand, though.
Wait, what did you just say now? Who is a sorceress?
Obiamaka now. Your friend.
My own Obiamaka.
Hadebo.
You're joking, right?
I cannot joke with this kind of thing now. You can ask anybody.
Obiamaka is now the sorceress.
Yes. You can ask anybody. She's married to the gods.
Hey! Father, please,
stop telling me to calm down. She's my other half. I came back to Amago because of her.
Azubike, for your information, the gods have chosen her.
Then the gods will have to divorce her because I will never stop fighting for my love.
You are a fool. Azubike, you are a fool. Only fools tread on a path that even the gods are afraid of. She is the sorceress of Amago Kingdom.
You can call me all the names you want. But like I said, I will not give up on fighting for my love. I will not give up. I will fight for my love. I will fight the gods. What nonsense.
Come back here. Come back here. What did I hear you just say? If I hear that rubbish again from your mouth, I will close your mouth with my hands. You want to fight the gods?
Azubike,
have you gone nuts?
I got Pelea. I got Pelea. Azubike.
Hi!
This boy has gone wild.
Oh, I need a chance to take it down and go and walk it down. Walk it down. Oh, I need a chance to check it down and go and walk it down. Go and walk it down. Go and walk it down. No! 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 Azubike, why did you have to come back now? Why did you have to come back now? No! No! Azubike, no!
Obiamaka, so what I heard is true? That you now serve the gods? You threw away everything we shared to come and sit here? All our promises? Obiamaka, I don't want to be mad. Go in there, pack your stuff and follow me right now.
Azubike, you are in a separate place.
I do not care. Go in there, pack your stuff and move right now.
Azubike, do not say things that will aggrieve the gods.
I am more aggrieved by the choice of the gods. No, why you? Why must they choose you? Why not someone else in the village? Must it be you?
Azubike, the gods are wise.
No, you lie. The gods are wicked, senseless and unreasonable.
Azubike,
you are just a stooge for the gods.
Enough! Enough already! Azubike, what is wrong with you? I am keeping quiet because of the love I have for you. Do not insult the gods in my presence. You have no right.
The gods?
There will be consequences if you proceed.
The gods are mad. They are raving mad, and I don't care one bit. Let them come out and fight me. I know you can hear me. The gods come out and fight me.
Azubike, don't do that.
Azubike, fight me like a man or a woman, whatever you are. Come out and fight me. I will never give up on you.
Azubike!
Let them come out and do their worst.
Azubike!
I will never give up on you.
It is high time you left my presence.
You lie.
You have to leave.
I am not going anywhere. Go in there. Tell the gods they are mad. They are raving mad. Go in there, tell your father or whoever he is that he's mad. Why are you mocking at me like a cow? Can't you hear me? Go in there, tell the gods they are mad.
Azubike, can you listen to me for once?
No, you lie. What happens to the love we shared?
Azubike.
See, is this how you want to live your life? Is this all the promises we made to each other? Calm down. I am not calming down. Stop telling me to calm down. Go and get your stuff. Let's go home. What are you doing here? What's all this?
Azubike, good to have you back. You are welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
The gods are kind.
I wish I can say the same.
What do you mean, Azubike? What do you mean?
Why are you asking as if you don't know? They have taken her away from me. The wicked gods have taken my Obiamaka away from me.
Azubike, stop. You cannot blame them or kill yourself over who they have chosen to serve them. They have their reasons. And again, love is for the living. Okay?
What do you mean by love is for the living?
Azubike.
No, just talk. What do you mean by love is for the living?
Azubike, I am here for you. Anytime, any day, I am here for you.
So you mean Obiamaka is dead? Is that what you mean?
No.
How dare you?
It's not what I mean.
No, how dare you? Please, kindly carry yourself and leave my house, please.
Azubike, it's not what...
Leave my house now.
Okay, Azubike, I am sorry, okay?
I said leave my house now.
It's a slip of tongue, I'm sorry. Please.
Okay, that no fair. Eh?
What's wrong with Azubike? Is he okay? What? What exactly did they say in Obiamaka? Why can't he move on? Why? Do I have to kill myself before he realized that I love him so dearly? What is all this? Believe me, heaven knows that I'm just tired of this whole thing. Just tired. I don't know how long I can go on like this. I don't know. What do you want?
Eh? You change your color. I'm off here. Obiamaka, I want to speak to you.
No. She decides who to speak with and when.
Enokwa. She decides.
Hey! Don't. Do not try it. Move behind.
Madam Gazogogi. Obiamaka, what is wrong with you?
I should be asking you what is wrong with you. You should know that I am no longer the Obiamaka you used to know. I am now the sorceress of Amago Kingdom. You should understand that and stay away from me.
Obiamaka, I can't believe you're the one saying this to me.
Azubike, what is wrong with you? So what happens to the love we shared? Eh? Obiama, can't you stop what you're doing and come to your senses? You're fooling yourself.
You are the one fooling yourself. Out of my way now!
Obiamaka, look me in the eyes and tell me you don't love me anymore. No, tell me you've stopped loving me. Obiamaka, what is wrong with you? Obiamaka, I am talking to you. Obiamaka.
Stop!
Obiamaka. Obiamaka.
Called me, Mama.
Yes. There's something I want to talk to you about. Azubike, you have to stop bothering that girl.
What do you mean by I have to stop bothering that girl?
Azubike, we have so many beautiful girls in this village. How do you want them? Fair? Short? Fat? Just let me know.
Mama, I do not want any fair, short, fair or any. I want my own Obiamaka. We have only one Obiamaka and that's mine. Allow me to fight the gods the way I want to fight them.
Azubike! Azubike! Azubike, stop right there!
Mama, what is it? What's the problem?
Azubike, do not invite the wrath of the gods on this family. And stop breaking up something that is already there.
Do I look like I care? No, do I look like I care? I do not care for any wrath of the gods or anything. All I want is my own Obiamaka, and I will fight them. I will fight them.
Okay, calm down. Hmm? We have found a girl for you. The both of you will make it good.
I don't want any other person but my own Obiamaka. My own Obiamaka. Give her the gods in the field. They can just wake up one morning and take what belongs to me. Is that what they feel? That I can't fight them? Watch me fight them. Just watch me.
Azubike!
Eh? If they want someone else, let them go and look for someone, not my own Obiamaka. Or see me look for someone else.
Azubike, come here, you are just told a lie. You are told a lie, you don't work. I'm a man. I'm a man, Azubike.
Now that Obiamaka is out of the way, Azubike should be mine and mine alone. They have destined us to be together. Whether we like it or not, we are meant for each other, and that is it.
Words have filled my ears about you, Azubike. You are committing sacrilege by going after her. And this must stop. Or I will avenge the gods by ostracizing you from this kingdom permanently.
I heard what you said, but it won't be easy for me. It won't. Even the gods know that I love her so much. I'm frustrated.
And you expect the gods to apologize to you. The gods are no respecter of persons. They made us, and they cannot bow to us. From this day onwards, stay away from her. Stay away from the sorceress. Get her out of your mind. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Igwe.
Someone was betrothed to you when you were little. And it is time to introduce her to you. You have to know her now. Mirima. Azubike, this is your betrothed. Stay away from the sorceress.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you causing me so much pain? What have I done? Why won't you let me go? Let me go. After all, I am not the maiden you chose to be your sorceress. Allow me to go. I want to be free. I need to go to the love of my life. I need to be free from all this. But you wouldn't let me. You wouldn't. I need to be free. I need to be free from your grip. I need to have my freedom. You're frustrating my life. You are not a good God. You are so horrible. A horrible God you are. You have useless my life. Azubike, my love. I love you so much. My love for you is so unconditional. And I swear with my blood that no woman can ever take my place in your heart. No woman. I swear.
What a lucky girl Mirima is. Getting married to Azubike is like getting married to the finest man in Amago Kingdom.
Of course. When he is strong, fine, and hardworking.
I envy her. Who would be envious of her? Azubike is in front of every man in this kingdom.
Greetings, maybe.
Greetings to you too.
I overheard you people talking about Azubike. If I may ask, did anything bad happen to him?
No, I did not say oh. No.
It's just that he's getting married soon. To who?
To Mirima.
That is not true.
We better go and stop them.
Mirima, how many secrets are out there that I, Akugo, is not aware of? To think that Obiamaka is out of the way and I should have him to myself. And now Mirima. This will not happen. Never. It will not happen.
Akugo, what is it? What is it, Kaifo?
What does it look like in Mirima? Eh? Just look at you. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Eh? You already know how to steal what is not yours. Yes!
And what have I stolen from you, Akugo?
Do you have to bewitch him? Do you?
What? Bewitch who? What are you saying?
Azubike was about to be mine before you walked into his face with this Ochaka Maka.
Oh, it's all about Azubike, huh? I never knew you have eyes on him.
Now that you know, can you undo what you did to him? Can you?
Hold on, please. What are you saying? What if Azubike was the one that did something to me? Would you also go to him and ask him to undo whatever he did to me?
Mirima, I do not have your time. Just stay away from him. I love you so much not to hurt you. You see this is your color? Ochako Maka. I will design you. Ifunanya, jukwese makamu. Jukwese. I am warning you. I will not repeat myself next time again. Azubike. Azubike, what have I not done for you to see how much I love you? Are you so blind that you can't see the feelings I have for you? I was busy thanking the gods for taking Obiamaka away without knowing you are bent on playing with my emotions. So, now is the Miriam Maukwaya. Azubike, I am talking to you, Azubike.
What's the meaning of this one? When you're done ranting and saying all the things you want to say, when you're tired, you can just kindly leave my house, please.
Azubike, you don't have any right to walk out on me. I am still talking to you. It's better we settle this once and for all.
Like you know, I'm going to walk out. Thank God you know that.
Azubike! Azubike, I am still talking to you. Azubike, come back here, Azubike! Oh. Oh.
Long live the sorceress of this kingdom.
Oh, stop the pretense, Akugo. Stop it! So it's been you all these years. It's been you! You claim to be my friend, yet you've had your eyes on Azubike. You claim not to like him, yet you've been dying in silence just to have him. How terrible can you be? How? Akugo, your being sympathetic over my predicament was just a pretense. Akugo, I trusted you. Why do you have to do this to me? Why?
You ask why? Why not? Why must Azubike love you and not me? Why must you have everything and not me? Look at you. You cry of being humiliated because you lost a man. What about me who lost my parents and siblings to a move of the gods? They took everything away from me as a child. I lost everything, I lost everything. If anyone should cry of being humiliated here, I should be the one and not you. Does it even matter to you? Does it? Listen, you can't have Azubike again. He's mine and mine alone.
Oh, shut up your mouth. You can never have Azubike again. How dare you speak to me with such utterance? Have you lost your sense of time? Now listen to me. You have to stay away from Azubike. For the very last time, you will.
I will not. He's mine and mine alone.
Akugo, stubbornness kills faster than the epidemic of the gods. Do not, I repeat, Akugo, do not put me to a test. Do not.
All these years, I never believed that you were made for me.
I never imagined it too. I mean, my parents only told me that there is a man for me, but I never knew it's you.
So tell me, am I the man of your dreams?
I don't know. You tell me. Am I that woman of your dream?
Not really.
Does that mean we can't be together?
You see, I had a woman of my dreams, but my dreams are no longer real. But you are my woman now, not by choice, but by destiny, so I have to embrace it. You are so beautiful as the morning sun.
Thank you. And your might and majesty is of the gods.
Are you going to change tomorrow?
No. I love you.
Adam, where have you been?
I've been with Azubike.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
I'm happy both of you are getting along. Eh?
Very well, Papa.
I'm so
He's
happy for
very
you,
nice.
my daughter.
It's very nice.
That's good. I'm so happy for you, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama. I think I love him.
Really? Hey, that's good. I'm so happy for you, my daughter.
Yes. And I'm happy both of you are getting along.
That's good. My dear, there is food inside. Go and eat.
Look at her. Wait now. Am I not talking to you? Eh? Let me tell you something. If I were you, I would have gone to check what is wrong with me. Yes! Because the person you have been dragging Azubike with has clearly been removed from your way. Still, you cannot have him. Eh, Akugo? Let me ask you a question. Don't you think your village people are following you? My sister, they are following you. I'm talking to you. Answer me. Look at her face. Goat's face. Are you related to a goat? Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume, Akugo. I want you to fight me now. Fight me. I'm looking for a fight. Eh? Akugo ewume. Akugo you don't have nothing. After all what you did, Akugo. Why are you single? Akugo ewume. Stay there. Akugo ewume, Akugo ewume. Look at you. Look at her. Shameless idiot! You want Azubike? Come here, collect Azubike now! Collect Azubike! Wait, I'm still talking! I'm still there! Stay there! I'm still talking! You want and collect Azubike now. Obiamaka is no more. Go and collect Azubike.
Hey! I am so happy that both of them are getting along so well.
Oh, yes.
Hey!
My dear, the gods are wise.
The gods are wise indeed.
They already knew a day like this will come, and they helped us by not making a mistake.
That is true.
In between our daughter and that handsome young man,
Hey!
Azubike.
Hey! May the gods be praised.
Oh, yes.
Hey!
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, the God of our land.
Azubike, it still baffles me the way you jumped over to another woman in a very short while.
Oh, really? You expected me to keep wallowing in pains and agony? Eh? Is that what you expected of me? To keep dying in pains of what you did to me? My dear, happiness is free. What are you doing here?
He's waiting for you.
Waiting for me. You should be in your shrine chanting and discussing with the gods, all those people's incantations.
I deserve all the mockery from you. But the truth still remains that woman is no good for you. She is not good for you. You have to be very, very careful. Tread carefully.
Please keep your stupid advice to yourself. Do you have any right to tell me who is good and who is not good for me? You don't have no right to tell me how to live my life after what you did to me. Let me ask you, is this message from the gods or from you? Eh? No, because you can frame everything up. Is it from you or from the gods? Answer me. Stay away from her, my food.
Wisdom. Wisdom.
I am greatly distressed, my people. The information I got from the sorceress is highly disturbing. The practice of witchcraft is a very serious crime in this land. And some people have gone ahead to soil their hands with this evil practice. The practice that this land has been cleaned of long time ago has returned.
Long live your majesty. Witchcraft is abomination in this community. We want to know who the perpetrators are so we can deal with them in accordance with our customs and tradition.
I was in the spirit last night when the gods took me around and showed me a lot of things that I cannot tell you. Because you're humans. And humans cannot bear much reality. In that move, I saw Nadi and his wife Ego practicing witchcraft. And that same power was what they used on Azubike so as to bewitch him in getting married to his daughter.
No, this is not true. I've never done anything like that. My king, we are innocent.
We are innocent,
my
king. By claiming to be innocent, you are thereby calling me a liar? I shall prove you wrong in the presence of everyone here. Your Highness, send your guards to his house, inside his room, you will find charms. Series of charms in there. Those charms signifies the reign of evil in this kingdom.
We're innocent.
I can't do please, sir.
You're innocent, my king. You're innocent.
Death?
Yes, Your Highness. They shall be burnt to death.
But that is the old way. We stopped such cruel justice long time ago.
This is a message from the gods, Your Highness. They shall be burnt to death. The gods have spoken.
Papa. Tell me the truth, Mama. Mama, tell me the truth. Is it true? What you accuse of, is it true? Mama, listen. I'm your daughter, okay? If you tell me the truth, I will forgive you. Just tell me the truth. It's not true. We have never practiced witchcraft before. We have never. You know what that means? To get what we don't have. We have never practiced witchcraft before. Papa, please. Papa, I know you will tell me the truth. Is it true?
We're innocent. We're innocent of the charges against us. We're not in Chinese. Your mother is not in Chinese. I'm not in Chinese.
What is going on?
I don't know. Can help us. Can help us. God, Balan. Where are you? Oh.
Then why have that same cause?
Oh, God, Balan.
Witchcraft. I don't know. Have they lost their minds? Have they become men who deceive and lay false accusations? Mama, what is going on?
I'm not.
Have they lost their minds?
I don't know. My daughter, I don't know.
Mama,
Where are the gods of our land? Where are they? Come and save us.
Who do I run to for help? Who do I call? My daughter. I am confused. God, Mama, listen. Stop crying. Stop crying. Nothing will happen to you. Mama, tell me what to do. Tell me what do I do.
For the gods now to save us. For the gods to save us. Marima. Oh no.
Oh, Timo!
We're innocent. We're innocent.
Mama!
Oh.
You will not die.
We're innocent for case against us.
Nothing will happen to you. You will not die, Mama. God.
Oh.
God, Father, help me, please. You're not losing your strength. You're fine, you're strong. Mama, please don't say that, please. Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Please don't take my parents, I beg you! Gods of our land! Gods of our land, I beg you! Don't take my parents away from me, please! They are innocent, I beg you, please! Oh, Timo! Mama! They're innocent. They've never practiced witchcraft. Why?
Stop crying, I know.
Why are the gods doing this to us? I was told they are kind. Why would they do this? Why?
I don't even understand the God. Come, stop I'm going to take you. Stop crying. You have it. It's okay, stop crying. Stop. Take it. It's okay. It's okay. It's well. I know that everything will be alright, so.
God, why? Amebem. What is happening? What is happening? No.
Azubike is here to see you.
Azubike. Have you finally come to thank me for saving your life?
I've come to confirm what Miriam's parents were accused of. Is it true?
Of course it is. It is very true. As a matter of fact, the gods are angry with this land.
Why do I have these feelings?
What feelings?
I feel this is a false accusation. They shouldn't be burnt alive because that was abolished years ago.
How dare you? How dare you, Azubike? You came all the way to question the judgment of the gods.
Because I stand for the truth.
You don't stand nothing! Leave my presence before the gods strike you dead. Now! Now! I said! Out! Get out!
The truth shall prevail.
Get out! You're lucky you met me in a good mood. If not, I would have.
Which gods do you serve?
I serve the gods of Amagu Kingdom.
Dying by burning was abolished many years ago, after several sacrifices to the gods. Why do you bring it back?
I did not bring it back. The gods did. Are you now questioning the gods?
The same gods you talk about said I should ask you, which gods do you serve?
If the gods have questions for me, they would come to me, not an old blind woman who death has forgotten. Nadi and his wife must die by burning. The gods have spoken.
This water that I took my first bath. The day I was born was the day the plague that besieged the people of this land ended. The water became pure again. My parents thanked you for giving me today a beautiful spring from the gods. Oh God of our land, they are innocent of the accusation and you know it. Why? Why have you allowed mortals to render unjust judgment on your people? Tell me why? 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 I cannot be proud of you. And I will deny you for the rest of my life if you do not wake up and do what gods are done for. They defend the poor and the needy. I will not live here. I will not live until you answer me, O gods of our lives. I won't live here until you answer me, gods of my ancestors. Please come to my aid. I can't do this alone. Please come to my rescue, I beg you.
Sorceress of our man, tell us what the gods have for us.
My people, I greet you all. From the throne of the gods, I bring you good tidings. Tidings of fortunes and bounty. Tidings of great harvest. There shall be plenty harvests this coming season. Harvest of crops. Harvest of wives and husbands. Harvest of children. These are the promises of the gods if we continue to abide by their commands.
Liar! A liar! That is what you are.
is this one? How dare you? How dare you call the great sorceress of Amabu Kingdom a liar? Do you want to lose your life?
I am not afraid of death. Since they took my parents' children, Obiamaka, you killed my innocent parents, even with their cries of innocence. You gathered the entire villagers to a show of shame on my parents over a crime they know nothing about. Obiamaka, what manner of a woman are you?
I am that kind of a woman who stands for justice and exposes the evil that threatens her people. That is the kind of woman I am.
You speak for no one but yourself.
Keep quiet. Do you want the gods to smite you?
If it pleases the gods to smite me for speaking the truth, then they should be quick about that. The gods has forsaken every one of you since you allowed her to enslave you with her lies. Tell me, Obiamaka, since you became the sorceress of this kingdom, how many maidens has been given to a man for marriage? And nobody is asking questions. None of you is asking why.
I will not watch you vilify the oracle priestess and the god she represents. I will not. I shall unleash the wrath of the gods on you, and you shall be burnt like your late parents that died of witchcraft. Ah! National where Kurum Raya. Oh, naturally, check that. We one Wagadan. Tata, national where Kurum Raya. Wagadan. Wagadan.
Obiamaka, this is your end.
Help me, people of Amagu Kingdom, for I have sinned against you. I have sinned. I have lived in denial ever since I became the sorceress of Amagu Kingdom. I have denied you of justice because I'm an angry woman. I am angry with everyone in Amagu Kingdom, including the gods. I was angry with them because they stole my love. So I swore to take my pound of flesh on everyone in Amagu as long as I lived. But they were so quick to strip me of their powers. And I realized that I needed powers to operate in order to execute what I really wanted. So I embarked on a journey outside this kingdom in search of powers.
Obiamaka.
Go and rule your words. Whatever you say happens. No one argues with you, and no one challenges you in the land of Amago Kingdom. Go!
He gave me powers to rout evil in this kingdom. Miriam, forgive me. Forgive me for the judgment I pronounced on your parents. For indeed, they were innocent. But I was only jealous that the love of my life, my childhood lover, Azubike, was going to get married to you. He was the only reason I became vindictive. Azubike was. I swore with my life that since I couldn't have him, and no one else would. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my people, please. Forgive me. And also beg the gods.
You have indeed done Amago a great harm. Why? How do we start begging the gods for mercy upon you and the land? How? How?
Azubike, please come. Come. Azubike, I have loved you all my life. The day I lost you was the day my life ended. I do not deserve you. I don't. Miriam adores.
Why?
Azubike.
Why?
Azubike, please. I'm sorry. Do not cry for me. I don't deserve your tears. I deserve this curse that I brought upon my life. I deserve it. Please don't cry for me. Azubike, I love you so much. I loved you with everything I've got. As I die with your memory, I will continue to love you.
Azubike!
natural sources.
Hey! No one can be trusted again in this world. Obiamaka. One can atuzi mojo. Full of mystery.
Obiamaka, of all people.
I feel for Nadia and his wife. Imagine the way they were crying and begging the Iwe and his cardinals, saying that they were innocent, but nobody cares to listen to them.
I wish they are not dead.
I wish Obiamaka didn't die. She would have eaten her own flesh raw.
I thank the gods. I thank the gods for Mirima. If not, who knows what would have happened to us in nearby future.
So, who will be the next now? Since Obiamaka is no more.
You're asking? Obviously it's you.
It's you. You will be the next.
Me? Yes. Mama, it's you.
It's you.
It's you.
You will be the next.
No, it's you.
You will be the next.
Are you dodging it?
Dodging what, Mama? Why would she say I'll be the next? For what?
At least I have 2 daughters. I can manage you.
She will be the next. She will be the next.
She will be the next.
She will look like
no,
a sorceress.
you are the next.
You have to be the
Obviously
next.
you're the next. I'm not
No.
serious.
But you look like...
I'm not your mate.
One of
I am
them.
not your mate. Sure you know.
I can't also wait to move into your house as your wife.
I also can't wait to raise kids with you and have a sweet family with you.
Me too. What is he coming here to do?
Greetings to you.
Greetings, Palace Guard. To what do I owe this royal visit?
Your presence is urgently needed at the palace now.
Why?
I don't know. I was anxious to fetch you.
Okay, tell the Igwe that she'll be there in a jiffy. So, you know, when you do good, you actually be rewarded. So, right there is your reward.
I just hope so.
You're one of a kind.
Igwe, Your Highness, you sent for me.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I so much appreciate you for your kindness and heart towards the people of Umuagu. The death of your parents also helped bring peace to our land. And today, the gods have chosen you to serve them.
Igwe, me?
Yes.
How? Who am I that the gods have to choose me? Gods of our land, I have come to love Azubike so much. And now you chose me to serve you. Who am I to say no to you? Who am I to question you and your orders? I just hope Azubike will understand. I just hope he will.
No now, it's not done. It's not done. Eh? Why are they hurting me? If I've done anything wrong to the gods, let them come out openly and approach me. We'll sort it out. No, gods are losing local. Why can't I have peace of mind in my own land? Why are they hurting my feelings? Stop that. No, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm dead serious. Whichever way they want it, we'll fight it. What is wrong with them?
You can't challenge them.
I will challenge them. I will challenge them. I will challenge them. Stop telling me to calm down. Now, open at the gods you live far guam. Open it by that format. Now, if you look at my own land, we'll fight it too. We'll fight them.
You please calm down, please.
Okay, down, no fair. Stop telling me to calm down. Stop telling me to calm down. What are they feeling like? Nah, bro, God, sir, I'm more my own God, so. Say, calm down. They just wake up one morning to decide nonsense. Why are they fighting with my feelings? The first 2 months, the same thing. The second one. Nah, I'm not God's got Pelia, Makachi. I got Pelia.
You can't
got
fight
Pelia.
them,
Ya Allah. Azubike, the ways of the gods are not the ways of man. Of course, we cannot question them. So I advise you to kindly take another woman and feed her home, because the gods are wise.
The gods are not wise anything, no. The gods are not wise because from the recent happenings, in fact, Hane Kozieko, Hane Kweko. From the Obiamaka now to the same Mirima I want to settle down with. And people keep telling me the gods are wise. Even you, Igwe, you self, you know that they are not
How dare you question the gods?
Igwe, if you are in my shoes, you will fight them, self. Yes. Because the same gods that approved my union with Mirima, it's the same gods now that have selected her to serve them. Does that make sense? That's complicating. They selected her that we are going to live together from our younger age. Now, they turned around to select her to serve them.
It is not complicated. Like I told you, their ways are not our ways.
Yes.
So go and do as I have advised you and avoid the cause.
Their ways are not our ways. Every time their ways are not our ways. I'm not scared of them.
Listen to the ego. Listen to the ego.
Their ways are not our ways. Their ways are not our ways. It's not easy to listen.
You people are the genesis of my problem in this village. Because if you hadn't sent me out to that village to help grandma to farm, Obiamaka wouldn't have accepted to serve the gods. Now the so-called girl you selected for me has been chosen by the gods. Now tell me, who is fooling who? Who? Is it you or the gods? No, you don't look at me like that, like I'm not making sense. Because you and I know that I'm making sense. If I fail to marry Mirima, even the gods know that I'll remain like this forever.
Azubike, I will remain like this forever.
I feel so sorry for her son. That young man has lost 2 people he loves so much in his life. Look at him. He's completely empty. And I don't like the way he looks.
Ori, I feel for him too. But there is nothing we can do. The ways of the gods is totally different from the ways of man. Let's just wait. Let's watch them do what they want to do. You know, go.
Nine. Yeah.
Mama, leave me alone.
No, you won't. Hey, you won't anywhere. Hey,
leave me alone.
Nothing like that.
I am going.
Nothing like that.
Mama,
nothing like that. You're not going anywhere.
Mama,
I am
going to burn down that shrine.
Come to the front.
Who's it?
Azubike, stop! Azubike, why are you snubbing me? Why? When you heard your melody, why?
I want to be left alone.
Azubike! I'm sorry for what happened.
Are you here to mock me? No, go ahead and mock me.
The boss of our land knows that I am not mocking you. Azubike, I have been dying in silence. Azubike, I think it's the right time to break the silence and tell you how I feel about you. From all indication, Azubike, we are destined to live together. Azubike, I love you so much. And I promise to make you happy for the rest of your life. Azubike, please stop thinking about the past. Think about the bright future we have together. Please, Azubike. Azubiko, please. I love you, Azubike. I love you.
Now listen. I do not love you. I do not want you. And do not disturb my life again. Does that sound clear to you? Do not stop me again. I want to be left alone. And thank you for mocking me.
Azubike, I can't mock a man that has his space in my heart. I can't, Azubike. I love you, Azubike.
If you touch me again, I'll swear I will reset your brain with slap. Muggle.
You're coming from the shrine, right?
Yes. I was coming to tell you that
Azubike, that place is not safe for you. And I won't save you if the gods decide to strike you. Stop going there. I don't belong to you any longer. I had a meeting with the king. He will summon all the maidens of Amago Kingdom. There you will meet and choose any girl you want to spend the rest of your life with. Azubike, I am sorry for what happened. But the ways of God is totally different from the ways of men. You have to listen to me. Stop coming to the shrine.
Why is it so easy for you to say what you just said? Does the gods take away your conscience too? You just say things without thinking. You think it's easy for me to move on just like that?
Okay, I understand your pain.
No, you don't understand my pains.
You can't question the gods. Please, stop coming to the shrine.
I am going to fight the gods. I will fight the gods.
Amago kwenu. Today, we're marking a new beginning in Amago. Hold your peace. Let us bless them. I bless you with the blessings of our ancestors. You shall have male children. You shall have female children.
Today, I bless you and your marriage. You will give birth to male and female. You shall live to train them, and they shall grow to train you. No evil shall befall you. Everything you lay your hands on shall prosper. May the gods of our land protect and guide you. Iyemi. Awa! Iyemi.
I'm happy that you're mine forever. So whatever that is bothering you should never come into existence.
I am worried because I still cannot believe that a day like this will come to stay.
Same here. Life is funny.
Yes. I love you, my king.
I love you more.
No, I love you more.
Okay.
Happy to have you. Sometimes life teaches us to be patient. Patient. Now I'm eating the fattest bone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it? Mama! Mama!
Azubike!
Go and get the girl. Fast! Go and get the girl. My friend, go and get the girl. Go and get the girl. Please. I'm rubbing it. Now sit down, please. Let's go. Azubike is coming. We are going to get it. It's coming. So, okay, please. Okay, please. Go. Again. Okay, let's go. No, don't rest. Let's go. Just go. I'll be rubbing it. I'm rubbing it. I'm rubbing it. Okay. Breathe again. Let's go. Breathe again. Let's go. I'm rubbing it. Just be careful, Be careful, Be careful. Azubike, get the keke.